Hi, I'm Tim Rubble, and welcome to another episode of Adventure Athlete. Today I'm going to review the StarLink RV system. So, my last video I shot here at Newport Dunes, which is currently where we're still at. And problem I was having is I was using my hotspot to run my TV as well as my laptop computer and, Facebook, Instagram on my phone. And 2 days went by and Verizon hit me and said, hey, you've used up all of your hotspot already. My unlimited hotspot is already being throttled. I started uploading that last video. It took 52 hours for that to upload my last walk around video on the truck. So I knew I had to do something, so I pulled the trigger on StarLink. I ordered that Tuesday night. It was at the house in San Bernardino Wednesday afternoon. Like it said, expect up to 2 weeks. It was the next day, but Kim brought it down to me, and it's one more thing that you got to do, one more thing that you got to install. So basically, they send you the directions. That's the box. I was surprised that no signature was required. I paid like $703 for the kit, and it's going to be $135 a month for the roaming. So kind of expensive, but I'll be getting rid of my hotspot. I think I'm even going to take my cellular off my watch, and I am going to get rid of Dish. That's $72 a month for TV, because now I can watch TV, upload videos, and do everything I need to do with that. Here is the most basic instructions I've ever seen. If anyone were to do instructions like I would do instructions, this is it. Place the dish somewhere flat and level that can see the sky. Plug that into your modem. Plug the modem into 110. Download the app and follow the prompts and instructions. And I kid you not, literally, it's probably, I could have had maybe a 8 or 10-year-old kid do it. It's super, super simple. So I'm going to take you upstairs, and I'll just peek over here up on the roof here. Excuse me while I climb. So I kind of played around with the fulcrum, and just to kind of see where I was at on the, so I didn't hit my weather station, and I'm close enough where that's not an issue. But basically I just shot 4 screws into the existing beam. I put some Sikaflex around it. Then I already had the port set up to run down into the truck. Literally I was up here maybe 3 minutes placing that, running the wire down, which would give you a lot of wire. I'm gonna say maybe 100 feet or something crazy, like way more than I would ever need. But I got it coiled up. But I ran that down and through. The plug was kind of big and awkward. Very nice plug. And it took an 1.5-inch hole saw to go through, so I had to patch that and Sikaflex that up. And if you don't know about Sikaflex, let me see if I can find a tube of that. This is Sikaflex 291. That's amazing stuff. Works really good, and it's kept this truck waterproof for 2 years during the build. So, long story short, you put that on the top, you run that cable down, you run this over here to the modem, and on the bottom, if there's a little light that tells you that it's on down there, you plug that one in and you plug that into the wall. Download the app and follow the prompts. That's it. That's it. And I'm watching YouTube right now on my TV. It was so simple to create the password and get everything up and running. It already knew that that was my computer, my Apple, as part of my phone network. It logged on to that. Everything was done just so quick. It's literally the easiest piece of equipment that I've ever installed. A little pricey, You know, here we're at Newport Dunes. So we're looking at, there's a, that's their Wi-Fi. And I stopped trying to even log into that years ago. Because you got all these people here in the weekend. You got 3,000 people here using that same Wi-Fi. And it's so slow that it's you can't even watch a video without it doing anything weird for the download. So StarLink I bought primarily for off-grid, being able to upload videos, and we'll see how long it takes to upload this video. I'm estimating with how everything's flowing that it won't be 52 hours, which I felt was totally ridiculous. But got it up and running. I know there's a lot of people that as soon as I posted, hey, I'm getting StarLink, kind of a lot of haters real quick on like, oh, it doesn't work, you have to have a zip code, this and this. This is actually the RV one that they just released. I'm no expert, I just paid the money. Excuse the planes flying, but I paid the money. It showed up in a day. Installs, like the hardest part about the whole thing is fishing the stuff through the roof, finding a clear path to come from the roof inside, and downloading the app. It's really the easiest thing I think I've done on this entire truck. Yeah. So what do I think about it? Just my initial, I've used it for 30 minutes now. Was able to Facebook, was able to YouTube, watch TV all at the same time. Nothing was buffering or doing weird. So I don't care about numbers. I really don't. As long as it's efficient and fast. We're going to see what the upload is. I know the upload speeds are going to be a little slower, but it's got to be faster than Verizon. So I think it's got a 30-day trial deal on it. Like if you don't like it, you can send it back, get your money back, or some money on equipment back. I don't care. I'm not going to do that because I know this system's only going to get better. Just now that they're releasing it, they're putting up several satellites a month. So the network and coverage is going to just keep growing, especially when you're out remote. So right now I give StarLink 2 thumbs up. I highly recommend it. I know it's kind of a big push, $700 to get into, and $135 a month is a commitment for your RV, but I'm committed, and I think that's a great thing. So that's going to be it for now. If you guys got questions and comments, you want to hit me up a little, you watching this a couple weeks later or something, I will do a follow-up video here coming up in the next week or two, but we'll see how it goes. But hit me up on questions and comments. If you haven't liked and subscribed, Adventure Athlete's got a lot of different things that we're going to do, different reviews, and kind of get into this full-time RV living life finally. Now that the rig is operational and ready to go, I'm all in. That's going to be it for now. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you here next time.